Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing for more crochet tutorials and baby clothes inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Today we are excited to share with you some adorable crochet baby socks and mittens designs that are perfect for little ones. Let's get started. First up, we have these adorable crochet baby socks that are perfect for keeping your little ones' feet warm and cozy. Let's take a look at some of favorite designs. These soft and stretched socks with a simple design are perfect for everyday wear. These adorable socks with a cute animal design are perfect for adding a touch of personality. These warm and cozy socks with the texture pattern are perfect for colder days. Next, we have these adorable crochet baby mittens that are perfect for keeping your little one's hands warm and toasty. Let's take a look at some of your favorite designs of these soft and cozy mittens with the simple designs are perfect for everyday wear. These adorable mittens with a cute design and ribbon trim are perfect for adding a touch of elegance. These warm and cozy mittens with a textured pattern are perfect for colder days. When it comes to crocheting baby socks and mittens, the most important thing is choose soft, comfortable yarns and to make sure they fit well. You can also add embellishments like button, ribbon, and appliques to make them more adorable. Let's take a look at some more designs that showcase these ideas. These adorable socks and mittens sets up with a matching design are perfect for a special occasion. These soft and cozy socks and mittens with a pastel color palette are perfect for spring. These warm and cozy socks and mittens with a thick yarn are perfect for winter. We hope these designs have inspired you to create something special for your little one. Here are a few more ideas to get you started. Try adding a personalized touch to your baby socks and mittens with their name or initials. Experiment with different yarn weights and texture to create unique and interesting designs. Consider make a set socks and mittens to give a gift to a new baby. Thanks for watching our video on crochet baby socks and mittens. We hope you have been inspiring you create something special for your little one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorials and inspiration. If you have any question or would like to share your own crochet creations, please leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.